figured the title of this video was pretty clever with watch your P's and Q's because of what's inside here. So if you thought it was clever, then, I don't know, give it a thumbs up or something. This item, these items, came from Florida. And this tape is weird. Like this, it's like electrical tape. But, open this up here. Let's see how well these got packed. That's interesting. I don't remember those being in the listing, but okay. So we've got a speaker, bubble wrapped. Let's go ahead and get everything out. These crossovers weren't mentioned in the listing, so I guess that's a bonus if they work. And another speaker, and another speaker. Alright, so we got the speakers unpacked, and these are the Fanatic P. These are FRP 2406. Just to make sure, FRP 2406. These are packed pretty good. These have like a foam padding kind of material, and then bubble wrap on top. Both of them are not locked up, which is good. They have been used. There is some marking around here, which is perfectly fine. So these are the Fanatic P's, and I'll get these tested off screen here. And we are back again, and here we have a pair of kind of beat up Fanatic Q FNQ 1405 speakers. There is some, what is that? I don't know. I thought it was rust, but at first, but this is plastic, so it's not that. Kind of dirty. But this one has, this is your an oopsie, and this one is a oh crap. That's a big oopsie, which is fine. I understand that these were purchased this way. I'll throw a little RTV or something up behind here and try to seal that up. Dust cap, try to pop that out too. This is all known. This one does not have any, well, as of right now, it doesn't have any coil rub or any weird sounds to it. The spider, I know it's probably hard for you guys to see in there. The spider kind of looks like it may have been wet. It's a lot darker than what they normally are. Here's the other one. Kind of showing this off. This one doesn't have any issues with it. Looks like it's all good, a little dirty. I'll do my cleaning technique that I use, that I have in one of my videos, that got a lot of thumbs down and a lot of flack from how I clean my speakers, but you know, to each their own. So what we have here today is we have two Fanatic Q 5 1/4 drivers, and we have two Fanatic P 6.5 inch drivers. And oh, I just noticed something on this one. The surround is starting to lift off, so I'll have to go in and glue that down. Actually, it's coming up in more than just one spot. Same thing with this one too. This one, well, look at that. So these will have to be glued back down, which isn't a problem, but I wasn't planning on. Oh, look at that. All the way around. Let's take a look at this one again. Yeah, this one doesn't seem to be quite as bad, so I'll have to see. That's coming up there. This actually looks like there's paper or something underneath of this, so interesting. I'll have to get a hold of the seller and talk to him about it. So yeah, there you go. I think I paid under $100 for all of these. These I'm going to sell. These I'm going to keep. And I'll probably throw in the crossovers with them too if they work. But that'll be it. Have a good one, guys.